friends, at first you have to open terminal and you will see I already executed some commands but that did not work. So now we have to execute the command sudo -apt -update, and then we have to wait for a while till the update process is completed, till the command is executed. And now you have to execute the command sudo -apt install hplip-gui to install the HP plugin, and then enter, and then here you have to press Y and then press enter. Do you want to continue? Yes, and then enter. See, installation, download and installation is started. You have to wait till the process is completed. You will see the progress of installation. Now you have to wait till it becomes 100%. It is just about to complete. So friends, in this way you can install HP plugin in Ubuntu 22.04.